If you want to sign up for a SurveyMonkey Rewards account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full sign-up process step by step so you can create your account quickly and without confusion. This is a simple tutorial, but I'll make sure every step is clear so you can follow along easily, whether you're doing this on a computer or just want to know what to expect before you start. And if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once the website loads, look for the sign up free option and click it. This will take you to the account registration page where you can begin creating your new SurveyMonkey account. Next, type in your email address. Make sure you enter the email you want to use for your account because this is where SurveyMonkey may send important updates or verification details. After you've entered your email, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll need to create a password. Choose a password that's secure and easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Once your password is entered, click Create Account to move forward. After that, SurveyMonkey will ask you to select the purpose for creating your account. In this case, you can choose the option that fits your needs, such as personal use. This step helps SurveyMonkey customize the experience for you, so just pick the option that best matches what you plan to do with the platform. Once you've selected your purpose, your account setup is complete. At this point, you should be signed in and ready to start using SurveyMonkey Rewards. That's it. You've successfully signed up for a SurveyMonkey Rewards account in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.